In today's short video, we will go over how to transfer the front-facing camera from your 22 and up Toyota Tundra and 23 up Toyota Sequoia onto the TRD Pro Grille. This video is only relevant to models which come equipped with a front-facing camera, and these models will require the camera relocation bracket. Once you remove the camera from your factory grille, it's time to transfer it over to a new camera bracket. Using a T3 hex Torx Allen key, remove the two T3 bolts securing the camera to the OEM bracket. Up next, slide the back of the camera into the new relocation bracket and secure it using the OEM T3 bolts. After this, we are ready to install the camera and the camera bracket into the new TRD Pro Grille. Simply place the camera into place and secure the camera bracket using the two provided screws. Plug your camera in and you are all done. If you would like to see specific how-to videos, please comment down below with your requests. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.